Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys dark theme setting in our Tecno phone guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you own your dark theme in your Tecno phone guys. You want to own it, so guys you can own. And guys, now let's see how to own dark theme in our Tecno phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to on our dark theme. Then guys scroll it. As you can see your display and brightness settings. So guys tap here. Then guys you can see guys your dark theme settings. So guys tap here. Then guys you can see turn on now. So guys you want to on guys your dark theme. So guys you can on from here. So guys you can see guys your dark theme will on. Then guys you can use guys your dark theme setting in your Tecno phone. So friends you can see this type of your dark theme setting in your Tecno phone device. So I hope friends you have understood how to on dark theme in our Tecno phone. And guys you want to off the guys this dark theme, so guys you can off from here guys. Again tap here and guys tap here to off this blue icon. So I hope friends you understood how to on and off dark theme in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.